I just have a scale here, a little bowl, and then just a little plastic spoon. So what we want to do to make the soda ash is just weigh 60 grams of the powder and mix it with 4 litres of water. Now I'm just going to fill this tub that I have. If you have a plastic tub with a lid, it's really handy because you can just keep it for next time and next time and next time, which is what I do. I just make a batch and then continue to use it. So I'm just going to add in my powder. And I'm just going to slowly add in the water until the powder melts. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the water, and I'm literally just using water from the tap. In the past, I thought that you would always have to use hot water to dissolve it, but it actually made it all clump together and go weird, so it's better if you do use just tap water. As you can see, it's pretty much dissolved, and you can see compared to the Japanese one, this one is like very clear. It just looks like water. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but the shirts just don't seem to go as crusty, and they feel a bit like chalky when I use the other one. So yeah. Now I'm going to put the t-shirt in to soak for the soda ash. Here is my t-shirt. Nothing fancy here, it's just straight out of the packet. I'm gonna just lightly put this one in, and now I'm gonna get my gloves, and then I'm just gonna kind of massage it around a bit and make sure that the solution is soaking into the shirt evenly. Also, I do recommend getting a pair of gloves solely for this, because any colour or anything that goes in there is going to contaminate this, and then yeah, it'll just end up all over your t-shirt. Let's give it a massage now. Alright, well this one seemed to have absorbed in pretty well, so I'm just going to leave this for 15 minutes, if not longer. It doesn't hurt to leave them longer, but 15 minutes is the bare minimum. So I'm just going to leave this one to brew for a little bit. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!